Okay, so we're in downtown Denpasar. This is kind of a marketplace. We are gonna walk around a little bit. Kind of get that river walk spot. Let's see what we can see. Okay, so we're gonna take a look around a little bit, check out some artwork, see what the market looks like. So yeah, we're right next to the waterfront. So I did film another one not too long ago. So but I'm here again today. So we got some beautiful artwork right there. So there's a salesperson right there, right? Got kites up in the sky as well. Okay, we got another person with a camera, that's good. Looks like another tourist. So I'm not the only one with a camera. But it's a pretty nice, cool little space though. Somebody parked their bike right there. Let's see if I can get through here. I'll try this way. I'm surprised they let all the bikes go in though. They should have them stop somewhere so they don't go in with in the market. I mean, if you're in a supermarket, you wouldn't let people take their bicycles and go through the aisles. Should be similar. Yeah, they really should park somewhere and walk through this tiny little alley here. Okay. So yeah, a little taste of this market anyways. See, I think I'm gonna just let's go this way. It's hard to navigate. I kind of want to capture a little bit of that river walk, but I couldn't really capture it very well. But it's right down there, so people can walk there, but I don't see that many people in that space. So we're gonna dare to walk back into the market a little bit. Okay, let's just see if we can walk around the building. I think the inside of the building is I came another time about the same time and it was kind of closing. It seemed like there was more activity outside. Okay. Downtown Denpasar. And it's like the downtown is kind of occupied by a market. And this market follows the river, basically. Oh, you got fresh coconut too. And that's the river down that way. So I'm going to come to an ending in a minute. I don't know why So that's the river on that other side over there, but I'm just going to keep going down this way because it's a little bit chaotic with the traffic. So we basically went around this whole marketplace. And we're going to come back in or not. So I think that goes, I did another Sulawesi street down that way. So I think that's Sulawesi. Since I'm in a crowded marketplace, I'm trying to kind of secure the camera, so I just want to make sure it's secure. So I might put away the camera in a second. But before I do, I need to go inside. You kind of see if there's anything inside. I think the answer is not much. So we do have some kind of cool artwork though. Pigs to market. Could almost be my thumbnail, but I think I need people in the thumbnail. This looks like it's kind of closed. There's some kids playing over there. I missed that artwork that was out there. Some artwork straight ahead. And basically in here, they look like they're kind of closing. So anyways. It's kind of cool. So I am going to put an end to this one. Looks like everything is starting to close up. And I think that the exit is straight down that way, so yeah. See how everything's kind of closing up on the inside, and on the outside you got to see that as well. So, dun dun dun.